Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CGIX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty crazy movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and well above average volume than what the chart normally sees, and really not even on a day basis. I say that because for the majority of the day, nothing was going on. It was kind of business as usual, and then this afternoon is where the volume came pouring in, and the price reacted very bullishly with it. So a lot of eyeballs on it after this afternoon's price action. So let's talk about a couple areas of support. First key level going forward is going to be right here at 24 cents. I don't want to call it 24 cents like a do or die, but it is still a pretty important level. And, you know, this is why, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but just to kind of illustrate why, you know, I'm kind of saying that it is a very important level. But if the price were to go down there and then break down below it and continue on down, at that point in time, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of that big old channel that the price just broke out of. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is not going to go back to where it was. The price is going to make some sort of form of progress going forward. And whereas if the price were to come down here to 24, and then in this situation, the price behaved like that before starting to work its way back upwards, well, what would you have in this set of circumstances? Well, you'd have lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now at least you still have overall stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. So 24 cents to me is kind of like a vocabulary definer, meaning is the price, quote unquote, going back to where it was? That associated with bearishness, or is the price, quote unquote, making progress? That associated with bullishness. So keep a close eye on 24 cents, and we'll see, if that can, hold up or not. In the event, it does hold up, or who knows, maybe it never gets tested and the price tries to make another move to the upside. Let's talk about a couple of areas of resistance. In terms of where the sellers are at, main level going to be right up there at 28 cents, and there's nothing fancy or complicated behind that other than the fact that that's just simply where the price stopped going up today. So keep an eye on that going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Crazy movement today, crazy volume. Not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward. We will see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.